Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm your friend Shubhranshu and you are watching my channel whose name is Anyone Can Be Creative, where I bring you some videos related to origami craft and puzzle solving. Today I'm back with a new video and our topic is how to make an origami giraffe. So let's see the procedure. Like other origamis, to make an origami giraffe, we need a square sheet of paper. At first, we have to fold this paper in half diagonally. It will look like a triangle, as you all can see. Now we have to again fold this paper like this. One thing I want to tell that this origami giraffe is not an easy origami, but if you watch this video completely till end, I assure you that you will certainly be able to make the giraffe. So now you can see that I have folded the paper like this, and it is now looking like a triangle. Here are two flaps of this paper. Now by taking one of the flap, open it and just press it. This is a very vital part, so let's see it again. At first what I did, I folded the paper diagonally, then I again folded the paper like this, and now here you can see a sharp crease has been created. So for as I folded this paper like this, so what you can do is to at first fold one of the flap into half. Okay, then open this portion and just you will have to press it like this, and you will find that the paper is looking like this. The similar thing has to be done with this flap. Open it and just press it. And you will find that the piece of paper is now looking like a square. Okay, like this. Now what we will do is there are four flaps created. See? Take one of the flaps and fold it in such a way that this portion touches the center of this line. See? Somewhat like this. Okay. Similarly, fold this portion. It will look like a cone. Now do the same thing with the back side. Okay, do the same thing for the back side. Once doing this, means after doing this, fold the upper portion also, this portion. After folding up a portion one this side, again fold this portion in the back side. Now open the folds. You will find that 3 folded portions are created, or you can say 3 sharp creases are created here. Now one of the very vital and a tough fold is been coming. What to do? You have to fold this paper along this full creased portion. See, at first fold. If you can fold along this creased portion, automatically these two opposite flaps will be folded. And here, see, automatically it was done. If you didn't understand, again see what I did. For your better understanding, I am doing these things. See, here a sharp crease is there. What to do? We have to just fold the paper along this crease upward. If we fold this paper upward, you will find that these portions are also trying to be folded. So fold them accordingly. Fold them accordingly. Once you fold them, the paper will look like this. This similar thing has to be done with this side of this portion of the paper. At first fold this, then this part fold. At first fold this, then this portion folded and this portion folded. And now your paper will be looking somewhat like this, a unique look, something like a diamond. But now you have to open this paper again. After opening this, you will find that this paper is looking like this, with a square shaped crease in the middle and some other sharp creases. Now what to do is that you see, here is a crease created. Now what to do? You have to fold this paper along this crease. When we will be going to fold. If you have done this the previous steps correctly, you will find that this portion of the paper, these two portions of the paper will come accordingly along with this fold. So what to do? Once you are doing this fold this paper along the crease. Again, see what I did. I just folded the paper along this sharp crease, and with the fold, these two portions also came folded, and this paper is looking like this. One thing to note is that I did with this side. You can do with any side at first. Like you may start with this one, or this one, or this one. So after doing this, the paper will be looking like this. Okay. After you do this fold, another fold to be done, which is like let me explain. Here you can see a crease is present. So as you all can see here, a crease is present here. We have to fold these two flaps of the paper along this crease. After folding, you will find along this crease, and you have to stand this paper like this. It may be a little difficult. Again, see here, see when you will do this fold, two more creases, slanting creases will be formed. So done like this, and then okay. Now what to do is that you have to fold this. Actually, this portion will be the leg of the giraffe. So what to do? Either fold this portion this side, or fold this portion this side. Remember that while you will fold this leg, the side you will fold this, the opposite leg will also be folded in the same side accordingly. I am folding this side, the leg in this side, and the similar thing I am doing with this side, with the opposite side. Once completing this step, the paper will look somewhat like this. Okay. Now what to do? See, this portion lying on this side of the legs, you have to fold it back side. Okay. Now two faces are created. Now let us assume that this will be the back face of the giraffe. If this will be the back face, then at first you have to fold the paper like this, and again you have to fold the paper from the opposite angle. After you will fold, you will find that two creases are created, and this join here, and it will form a triangle. So similarly, the way by which we prepare the legs, we have to fold this portion also just like that. At first the long one, and then fold it here. See here. Now what to do? This is the front portion of the giraffe. To keep it stable, we have to see, here is the mark. So here is the portion where the leg touches the main page. Fold it like this. The similar thing has to be done with this side. And now our giraffe is almost finished. Now we have to fold it like this. After folding, the piece of paper will look somewhat like this. After folding the piece of after folding, the piece of paper will look somewhat like this. Okay. Now what to do is we have to make the legs of the giraffe. At first fold this back portion like this, then open the flap and insert it. And now this is the neck and the head of the paper giraffe to be made. Head of the giraffe. At first fold the paper into half, the portion you want to make, and that side also. And now no. And now you will have to fold it like this and then fold the head into half. Now to give the shape of the nose, just fold the tip of the paper like this. In this way your giraffe is ready. See? Now it's time for us to do some decoration on it. Now it's time for us to decorate the giraffe. Here I am using markers and sketch pens for the decoration. So as you all can see, in this way I have completed the giraffe. Here I have drawn the eye of giraffe with the help of marker and colored it with the help of the sketch pen. So if you like the video, make sure you click the like button below. Please subscribe my channel and support me. If you don't subscribe, then who will subscribe? So please subscribe and share this video to those who have some interest in craft, puzzle solving and origami. Comment on how you feel about this video. If you think that you do not understand this, please rewind this video and see this video once again. I'm sure that you will be able to make it out. If you have some problems, email me through the email address or message me in Instagram from the link in the description. If you like my ideas, please follow me also in the Instagram. If you wish, meet with you in another video. Until then, goodbye.